And hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So today we will be talking about union. Now union is a way to, in a way to get two different, or to select from two different tables and see the union between them. Quite difficult to explain, so let me show you. Now let's say we want to select everything from customers, for example. And here we have a country. So there's a country instead of customers. Okay, fair enough. Now, let's say we want to maybe get the same thing from suppliers. So here is suppliers, and they also have a country, UK, USA. So, in a way, we can kind of select from both of them, or with union. So we can say select country or city, whatever. We're gonna go city if you want, but I'm gonna go country. And then from where you want to select it from, and then you can say union, and you can create another select statement. So I'm just going to copy this, and here I'm going to say, instead of suppliers, I'm going to say customers. Now if we run this before I explain, then as you can see, it returns all of the locations that can be found in both customers and suppliers. So if both of those countries exist inside, or if that country exists in both of these table rows, then it will return. So Argentina, Australia, Austria, Belgium, Brazil, whatnot. It also removes the duplicates by default, so you'll only see one of them and not both of them. So this can also be good if you maybe want to get someone by their name and they should be in multiple places, or maybe an ID or something like that. Now take note that this amount of columns we're getting should be the same as this amount of columns we're getting here.
Hello, Future Steve here. I saw that it's a little bit difficult on how I explained it. I meant to say that you should have the same amount of columns selected by both. So if this side has 2 columns selected, and the other side should also have 2 columns selected. That is what I meant.
So these two should have the same amount of columns. They don't have to be the same table though. We can also say union all, and if we run that will return duplicates. So UK, USA, Japan, Spain, Japan, Australia, it will return duplicates. So that's all you need to know. So if it can be found in both of them, then even if it's found 2 times, then it will return 2 of the items. So that's kind of the basics of what Unity does. You can also use where. For example, let's say we want to get the city. Let's say we want to get the city and the country, just so we can visualize it better. So city and country. And we're going to get it from both. What we can do is we can say where country is equal to Germany. And we could do the same on this side. We can say where country is equal to Germany. We run that, then everywhere in both of these two where the country is Germany, it will return the city. So basically in both of these, if the country is Germany, it will return from both of the tables. So that's kind of what union does. We can also remove the all if we want to remove the duplicates. So now, yeah, there's only one duplicate it seems. But yeah, there you go. So if something can be found in both of the tables, it returns the value that comes with it. So the city and the country. Just take note that this has to be the same amount as this, because if you're going to, like, let's say, put in some sort of, let's go here and say customer ID. Let's you want to do that, run it, then you're going to get an error because there are too many selections here. There's going to be 2 here since there's only 2 here. There's 3 here, then it should be 3 here. That's the most important thing you should remember about union. Otherwise, it's just basically 2 select statements that gets from 2 different tables. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all again in the next video.